Hiya. My mate said to me, he said, why don't you do a rundown of your gear? I thought, I thought I'd done that. I thought I had. But saying that, other stuff has arrived since. So, shall we have a butcher's look? Shall we? If you like this, please like and subscribe. That's better. Neat. Right, pay attention. One first aid kit. Bit more than usual. Just seen in another video on water bottle. One tent. A one-man single. It looks like that. One DPM. What's it called? It's camouflage net. One chair. One pair of leggings. Warm leggings for cycling. One pair of waterproof pants. One waterproof jacket. One waterproof cover for Bergen. Survival kit bag. 2 poles. One pan kit with kettle. A little blow up thing for pump with light for blowing up your AirPads. Bins. A silver compass. One survival kit tin. One borer knife. One Pathfinder's torch, one normal torch, batteries for said torch, a small knife. As you can see, there's more than 6 over it. That's a little pan. Some coffees in there, 3 ones. So that's a packet of Kleenex, a BCB. On the BCB is a small folding thing. So it's a little firebox thing, about 7-10 quid, something like that. Goes to the BCB quite nicely, and that underneath is a folding wind blocker. These 2 pouches here are for fire lighting. So, bits of stuff in there and in there. Now we're going to turn off and go in here. And we're back. Right, so here we have a I think it's a 2x3 tarp. There's a 3x3 tarp. That one's just a basic thing, but it works as a ground sheet in conjunction with this. This is a Flyton. So those and those basically go together. There is one of those bags in there you can use for pumping up. That's a bag of pegs. So your pegs are okay. The obligatories. Okay. Now there's I bought 3 sets of those. So what's that? 18. Some bank line. Let's see if I fill it. We've done all that, haven't we? And that is the bivvy. And that bag. Now, the keen-sighted of you would have noticed that there is a missing article. So, and the missing article is a sleeping bag. Let's see what that's like. There we have it. The Summit 250. Get you some stats on that. Now, for a person who's a hot sleeper, that with a bivvy, with these pants on that mat, under that, in there, is way enough. Way enough. In fact, I'll probably be pretty hot in this weather. I've not done food because, well, the food will change with whatever I want to eat at the time. So, probably change. There is some more stuff, and for carrying all that in, I might even take this. That stove is a 4-in Bushbox stove, Bushbox stove even. There's some wipes just in case, and a little billy kettle. Oh, I forgot this. This is potassium permanganate, and if you look at some videos, you might find that if you mix that with some sugar and mix it together, you can make fire. Be very careful. It's quite a fierce little fire it starts, and it will carry on. So, but in the event when it might be hammering it down with rain, etc., and you need a fire very quickly to dry out, etc., some of this stuff will come in very handy. There's only about 10-20 grams in there, is that? So you want a big bag to carry all this in. So this is my Bergen with side rocket pouches. Works very nicely. It has a snow hood. What's in there? That's the base. So, there you have it. And in the back there, obviously, is the frame. It's in there. You can take the frame out, of course, but it gives good rigidity and helps. The other thing is, I show. Obviously, you only take what you need. I have a different setup. Down there is the bags that go on my bike. Oh, I forgot something else. That's one of those light mats with a silver foil on it. So very useful. So, quick pan round. So, right, that was it. Any questions, please pop them down in the comments below. How are we going with the giveaway? Well, still looking for people to put more comments downstairs. So, the more comments, the more chance somebody's going to win it. anyone in the UK, of course. I might think about people outside the UK, but at the moment, well, things are expensive sending outside the UK. So I'm afraid I have to keep it to our shores, UK and Ireland. So, but thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I have a what they call it, page on Facebook. I've got the same name. Mark's Adventures one, and I also have something on down here. I think it is on Instagram. I have got rid of. I'm no longer using Twitter. I find that a lot of people that are on Twitter are quite acrid. Quite nasty channel sometimes, and I'd rather not be involved in that. I just about use Facebook, to be honest. That's only because of people I know. But I do like Instagram. Yeah, most of that is about my love of getting outdoors and food, of course. We all love food. So always too much. Take care of yourselves. Speak to you soon. Send us a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.